This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting Dropbox installed and signed in so uploads can start immediately. Create a clear Photos folder. Name it something like Photos/Camera Upload so files stay organized. Once that's ready, enable camera uploads on mobile or point the desktop app to monitor your Pictures folder. This starts automatic backups. Make sure you allow the app permission to access photos and run in background, because without that, Dropbox cannot detect new images to upload. Next, configure how Dropbox syncs and uploads so you control space and bandwidth. Use Selective Sync on desktop to keep heavy folders online only and save local disk space. Choose just the photo folders you want on this device. Set upload quality. Original preserves full resolution, standard saves space, and adjust based on your plan. Once done, organize photos into date or event subfolders before a bulk upload. This makes searching and restoring faster later. Finish by verifying that all photos transferred. Compare file counts and preview thumbnails in the Dropbox web interface or app. Once confirmed, share albums with links or use version history and the deleted files panel to restore accidentally removed images. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot quickly. Make sure Dropbox has storage and photo permissions, that your internet is stable, and the app is up to date. If uploads stall, pause and resume syncing or unlink, and relink your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.